Can ChatGPT cook better than us? Well, in this episode, we're gonna find out. We took 3 random ingredients from our fridge, put them in ChatGPT, and told it to spit us out a recipe. Now, the recipe came out better than we expected, but I think with Mom's help, we can make it even better.
Cooking with Coop. So Coop, what are the 3 things we found in our fridge?
The 3 things we found in our fridge, and we tried to make it pretty random, were duck sauce, pineapple, and frozen chicken tenders, or chicken tendies, I like to call them.
Chicken tendies?
Chicken tendies.
Oh, brother.
All right, Mom. So with these 3 random ingredients, what the heck are we gonna make?
We're gonna make an Asian chicken dish.
Okay.
We're gonna pop them in the air fryer,
All right.
my brand new Christmas present. And we're gonna finish it off with some spicy, but you can get regular duck sauce and some fresh pineapple.
We'll see how it comes out, but we're also gonna make our own version too.
We are.
So stick around later
A zhuzhed up version.
to see how we zhuzh it up. Mom, what? It's the first step.
He's gonna hurt himself doing that one day. I had some frozen chicken nuggets in the fridge. Any old chicken tender you got,
Whatever you got
you
in
can
there.
use it. We're gonna pull out our air fryer bin, and our air fryer's been heating up. We always preheat your air fryer. Mine is a brand new Ninja. I'm so excited. I just love it. You just literally pour the thing in. And then we're gonna put it on max crisp for 10
Max.
minutes. And halfway in between, we're gonna flip it and get it all crunchy and good.
The only kind of crisp I like is Max Crisp. Let's throw it in.
For those of you who don't have a nifty new air fryer like us, you could also do it in the oven. I'd say 425 for about 16 to 18 minutes.
All right.
Chicken tenders are done, and we're gonna start on our sauce.
What are the components of this sauce, Mother?
Sorry about that.
Reverberated into my ears.
Duck sauce and some pineapple. We're using fresh pineapple here, but you could definitely use canned pineapple. Either one's good. Fresh is better, but canned is okay.
Okay.
It's okay. In a pinch.
So we're gonna get the duck sauce in here?
Yeah, but my pan's a
First of
little
all-
too hot.
Pan's about to burst into flames. All right, first up, duck tail.
Duck sauce.
Everything's gonna be in there. Oh!
Oh!
It's hot. It's hot,
Okay,
everyone.
okay. Watch what you're doing. Stir
I never
around.
watch what I'm doing. It's part of the charm of the show. One more duck sauce.
I like to use what we already have so we don't waste, Cooper.
That's a good tip right there.
Yes.
That's kind of the essence of this episode. Like, yes, we're using this chat thing to prompt us, but we are also just using things that we have.
We already have, right.
And utilizing it,
Making something good.
making something good out of it.
Yeah. Okay, so this is going. Give it a little more stir. And I'm just going to add in some of the pineapple. Not a ton.
I think the nice thing about the fresh pineapple too is you said the can was a little sweet.
Yeah.
The fresh stuff still has that little like acidic,
Yeah. It's got a good bite
citrusy to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, which I think probably adds a lot.
All right, and now we're just going to add our chicken.
The chicken's already cooked, right? So
Yeah.
we're kind of just like getting it all together, getting
Exactly.
it all homogeneous.
Right. We're finished.
We're finished?
We're finished. And I'm going to serve it with some rice and some broccoli. And
Yeah, which is often stuff you still also just have at home.
Exactly.
Done!
Oh, good job, Coop.
Thanks, Mom. Now, I know we don't usually do this mid-video, but we're going to give this a taste because I have a feeling we're going to want to zhuzh it up, you know?
I feel that way too, because this was a little too simple.
Well, let's see.
Let's get a little pineapple in there.
A little pineapple.
Woo.
Mmm. That is good.
I think most people would think this was delicious. I still feel like we need to kick it up.
Yeah, if you're like someone like me, 25-year-old cooking at home,
Exactly.
and you want something that has like good flavor in it, and you got some stuff laying around maybe, I would definitely say that this is a viable thing to make.
Absolutely.
But we can make it better.
We can.
I say, Mom, let's zhuzh it up! All right, so for our zhuzhed up version, Mom, what is the first step?
Chicken. I had some chicken in the fridge. We just sliced them up into small pieces. You could make cubes, you can make chunks, you can do whatever you want. To make our chicken a little crispy, we're gonna use cornstarch. You're gonna put the chicken in, slowly though, because it actually just put little bits in it at a time.
Okay.
Put plumes of cornstarch all over the place.
That would be something I would do.
Exactly. Well, because you don't know, and you're learning.
We're all learning.
We're all learning.
Slimy.
Season her up with some
Mrs. Dash. We got the table blend.
The table
here
blend.
Today,
It's like my new favorite.
all right.
Yeah.
Not a sponsor.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
And we're gonna do a little salt.
Full salt.
And then you're just gonna gently toss it to get all the little pieces coated.
Okay. All right, so we got our chicken here. They kind of look like those little like white sugar pastries, the popettes. I kind of am tempted to just like
No,
chew
raw
on
chicken.
one. All right, so we're gonna get some oil in the pan.
Yeah. And then we're just gonna add the chicken, and we're gonna, give them some room, because you don't want to overcrowd your meat in a pan, because then
Okay.
it steams. So if we want it to stay a little bit crispy, you got to give it some room around each piece. Quick tip: if you want to test and see if the pan's ready, put a little schnibble in. If it starts bubbling up, it's ready. Let's get this chicken in there.
It seems ready to me. Let's go.
Don't dump. Just grab
I'm
some.
queuing it up.
If you didn't feel like breading it, you totally could have just sautéed it too.
But we're trying to like emanate.
Emanate?
Eliminate.
No.
Emulate.
Emulate!
The ChatGBT recipe.
Yes. Put our duck sauce in again.
Duck sauce, same sauce.
Some pineapple.
Our pineapple,
Our pineapple.
same as last time so far.
Yeah. We're gonna add some soy sauce.
Okay, here's where we differentiate. How much soy sauce?
That much.
How much goes in there and how much goes on the table?
Oopsie. And then, sorry,
Yeah.
reaching over you, some sesame oil, which I always just have. It just
Yeah.
adds flavor to everything. Rice, veggies. And
Okay.
then some green onion.
Some green onion.
Whippa.
Excelente. Okay.
Now we're gonna put our chicken in. And slowly.
Slowly.
And it's facing me, so be
Oh,
careful.
true.
Here we go.
Is that it, Mom?
That's it, Coop.
All right then. I guess it's time for the taste test.
This looks really good.
It does look.
I'm like
good.
really excited about this.
It looks like you got it at a restaurant.
It
or
does.
Something.
It really does. You could do this, Coop.
I could do it, guys. I could do it. And so can you. All right, let's give this a
Let's
taste
get
test.
in there.
Mm-hmm. Major difference,
So good.
but so good.
Oh, you know what it is? It's the sesame oil.
Yeah?
That really, and that's scallions, I think.
No. Mom.
The salt and the sweet duck sauce and the sweet pineapple and the soy
Uh-huh.
sauce, it all works together.
Yeah.
Good job, Coop.
Thanks, Mom. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching yet another episode of Cooking with Coop. We hope you enjoyed. We hope you made this food, and if you did, let us know down in the comment section below. Also, make sure to like and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this in the future. All right, everyone. See
Thanks,
you next
everybody.
time. Mom,
What?
I feel like something's different about this room. Wait a second. We're in a different spot.
Background's different.
What the heck? It's been almost 3 years. And we're switching up the set.
Oh yeah,
Wow.
baby. We're keeping it fresh.
Keep it fresh 3 years later.